Hi guys, welcome to CAD CA tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a CATIA software and how to this new plate design is discussed here, and this is a very easily and clearly, and how to this body is designed easily and clearly, and this is a very easy drawing here. And this plate is a new design here. This is a beginner student is very useful and helpful for learn this design easily and clearly. Okay, this is a multi-section view is showing here, you can see on the screen. And this is a single body, and this is a back side is looking perfect, and also this is a front side is a looking perfect. And this design is a new, and how to this design is created here, and how to this design is all process is learn here easily and clearly. Okay, this is a correct. Okay, let's start here. This design is learn created here, and at first okay at first click a mechanical design and use a generative sheet metal design, and this part is okay. And use this xy plane is also front plane is used here, and this is a use a positional sketch is drawing here, and this is a okay. And at first create this drawing a center rectangle is very useful, and this is a drawing here. And also mention any dimension. This dimension is a length and this is a width. Length is a 368 millimeter is correct, and also this is a 248 millimeter is correct. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, and use this corner command is used here, and select all corner is one time, and this is a use this 42 millimeter is correct. Okay, all is perfect, and this is a exit. And at first this set metal parameters, because all command is not activated, and at first click this set metal parameters, then other command is also activated. Okay, you see on the screen, you can see here easily and clearly all command is activated. And this is a set metal parameters is dialog box is pop up, and all value is setting here, and this thickness is 1 millimeter, and this default bend radius is 2 millimeter is correct, and all is perfect. Okay, and at first click this wall is create as this sheet, and this is a invert material side, and this is a okay. And this is apply here this shading with edge without a smooth edge. okay at first this is a hide, because this body is looking perfect. Okay, at first select this face, and this is a positional sketch is select here, and this is a okay. And this use a offset command is very important, and offset command is click here, and anywhere is select here, and this is a perfect, and this value is change here minus 10.2 is better, and this is a okay. And exit. Okay, and at first click this surface stamp command is used here, because at first this boundary is created here, and okay, surface stamp definition is pop up and all value is setting here, and this angle is 90 degree is correct, and this height is 6.4 is correct. 6.4 is correct, and this first radius is a 3.4, and this second radius is a 3.2 is better. Okay, preview is showing here, and this is a okay, this is a perfect, and click OK, and all is looking perfect, and all is correct, but some design is created here, this face. Okay, at first select this face and use a this also position sketch is select here, and this is a okay. Okay, and at first click this. Okay, this is a very important, because at first click one center rectangle. Okay, and one circle. Okay, one circle is a correct, and two, this is a elongated hole is select here. Two elongated hole is important. Okay, this is a correct, and also elongated hole is select this. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, and mention some dimension is created here, and at first click this corner, and corner is this center rectangle is select here, and this is a very important, and 80 millimeter is correct. 18 millimeter is correct, and mention any dimension. This at first this length is a this length, and this is a this width is a correct, and also this this circle diameter is mentioned here, and also this is a very important, all dimension is click here, and some important point. Okay, this is a this distance, and this distance is also click here, and also this distance and this distance is okay. This is a perfect. Okay, this distance is correct, and also this okay, this is a and this is a correct. Okay, select here, and this is a this distance, and this distance is a important, and also this distance and this distance is a important. Okay, this distance and this is a correct. Okay, and also this is a okay, this is a correct, and this point and this is a distance is correct. Okay, and okay, this is a very important, and some dimension is a where this value is changed here, some important, and also at first select this is a 15 millimeter is correct. Okay, and this is a 185. Okay, this value is a okay, press control Z, this undo is, and this is a 185 millimeter is correct, and this distance is a 145 millimeter is better. Okay, okay, and also this is a 155 millimeter is correct, and this is a 190 is correct. Okay, all is looking perfect. This is a 1110 is correct, and also this is a 20 millimeter is perfect, and also this is a 20 millimeter is perfect, and this distance is a 25 millimeter is correct, and also this is a 25 millimeter is correct. Okay, this is a okay 5 millimeter is better. Okay, and this distance is 1 okay 100 millimeter is correct, and also this is 100 millimeter is correct. Okay, and this is a 75 millimeter is correct. Okay, all is looking perfect, because this. Okay, this is a easily looking here, and all is perfect, and correct, and this is a 100 is better, because this is a 6 is 7 is correct, and also this is a 28 is better. Okay, this is a 22, and also 22 is correct. Okay, all is perfect. Okay, and one this point and this. Okay, this point and this point is distance is a this is a right click, and okay this is a vertical. Okay, and select a this is a this point, and this point is distance is correct. Okay, but delete here, this is delete. Okay, this is a correct and perfect. This is a very nice looking here, and all is correct, and click this point, and this is a this distance is correct, and also this is a this point, and this is a correct, and when this is a delete 165 is correct, not better, but this is a undo, this is delete here. Okay, all is looking perfect, and exit. Okay, and this command is used here, and this command is a surface stamp command, and all surface stamp definition is this is a pop-up, and all value is changed here. Angle is 90 degree, and height is a this is a 55 is correct, and this first radius is a 5.2, and second radius is a 6.2 is correct, and preview is showing here this is a perfect. Okay, this is a 4.2 is better. Okay, not correct, this is a 6.5 point, this is a 5.1. okay, this is a sum. Okay, this is a potent 3.1, and also this is a 4.1. okay, preview is Okay, this is correct, because some error command is error, and also this is a 58 is correct, and also this is a better, and also this is a perfect and correct. Okay, okay, and this body is boundary is apply here, and this command is used here, and this is a teardrop command, and this length is 2 millimeter, and also this radius is 2 millimeter is correct, and this all upper line is all is one select here, this is a correct, and okay, all upper line is select here, this is a correct. Okay, this is a click okay. Okay, and all is looking perfect, and this drawing is complete here, and some material is apply here, because at first select this shading with material, click here, and then material is apply here, and click metal is a steel, this is a correct, and this reflectivity is very high, because at first select a steel and right click, and this going to property, and this reflectivity is very high, and use this steel is use here, and this is a correct. Okay, and this body is looking perfect and looking correct, and okay, and also this is a multi-section view is drawing here, this is a perfect and correct. Okay, and this is a better, and also this is a isometric view is apply here, and this is a better. Okay, this is a looking perfect and correct. Okay, all is this body is design, and all method is one by one is learn here easily and clearly. Okay, 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 guys, I hope you will learn this method, learn easily and clearly. And guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you.